Fine right now? Can you see it now clearly? Just check the final
Little
answers.
more, sir.
So
Little
maybe
more.
method can be different. Method can be different. Okay. Yes. Yeah. Fast. Already 6 minutes over. Okay. So for the strength of participants,
Sir, I wanted to ask you a question. Do we have congruency this year?
congruency. We have it. We have it in triangles, right? We
So,
have
like, is it there
congruency.
in the syllabus?
It is there.
Okay.
It is there. Please turn your videos on this side. It is compulsory to turn your videos on. Most of you this side. Adyant, Yukta, Aditya, Ruchita, Shaurya. Shaurya Sharma was used to turn always video on. I don't know today why. Hardik, congratulations, Hardik, for select. Yeah, for winning in this.
Thank you, sir. Thank
Yeah,
you.
congratulations. Yeah, fine. I think you have checked the home.
Yes, sir.
Taking time. Yes. So let me start with this parallel lines and transversal. Please follow carefully. Already we have discussed all this, right? We discussed all this in the last class. So what do you, if these lines are parallel, what do we call these lines, A and B? Remember, you have to be able to identify the angles. A and B are, yeah, speak. What type of angles are the A and B?
Corresponding.
Corresponding angles. And they're equal, right? Yes. Now see the second, so here A and B are corresponding angles. Yes. So angle A equals to angle B, right? Yeah. Here we have three lines, L1, L2, L3. You have to identify when three parallel lines are cut by a transversal. Here, let me call this line as L4 is intersecting all the three lines L1, L2, L3 at three different points. Yes. So L4 can become transversal. Now tell me, what is the relation between A and B? If you consider L1 and L2, A and B. Yeah, compare this A and B. If you consider L1 and L2, A and B are corresponding angles, right? Yes, and are equal. So A equals to B. What about B and C? If I consider L2 and L3, if I consider L2 and L3, what happens? What do we call this B and C? Again, B and C are corresponding angles only. So B equals to C. A and C. If we consider first and third, L1 and L3, again A and C are also corresponding, right? You should be able to
Yes,
identify.
sir.
Yeah, I'm considering first and line and third line, L1 and L3, right? Again, if you consider, observe here carefully, A and C again corresponding, so they are equal. A equals to C. What about 1 and 2? 1 and 2, these angles, if you consider line 1 and line 2, what do we call them? L1 and 1 and 2 are allied angles, right? So, allied angles. So, what are they? Equal or supplementary? They are supplementary.
Supplementary.
There's somebody with name Meena Chauhan. I don't think anybody is there in our class, right? From 9 to B? Or with name, right? Okay.
So that's Ishita, sir.
Ishita. Okay, fine. So,
But
1
sir,
and
she's
2
not in
are,
our class.
see, from 9 C. Okay, I have admitted her.
Yes, sir.
There's still the 30 are there. I think, okay, let them join. Then I'll tell you, okay. So, 1 and 2 are allied angles, right? So, what is the sum of 1 and 2? Equals to 180 degrees. So, last one is 3 and 4. So, here I'm considering L2 and L3, right? If you consider these two lines, 3 and 4 are again, what do we call them? Allied angles. So, what is the sum of them? At 3 plus 4 equals to 180 degrees. Yeah. Now, in this, observe this diagram here. We have two lines L1 and L2, and this is transversal, right? Let me call this line as L3. So what do we call this? A and B. A and B. Yeah, A and B are alternate angles, right? Yes, A and B are alternate angles. So they are equal, right? A equals to B. Next, if you consider A and C, what do we call A and C? There, A and C. A and, yeah, these two, right? These two are A and C. Yeah, both are allied angles. Yes. So they are supplementary. That is A plus B equals to 100 degrees. What about A and D? These two, A and D, these two angles are again corresponding side. A and D are corresponding. So again they are equal. A equals to D. So what I am expecting is you have to identify the type of the angles and their nature. Sometimes we have lines like this, L1 and L2. Yes, L1 and L2. Transversal will be like this. Sometimes we have L1 and L2 like this, and L3 transversal will be horizontal. Yes, yeah. So moving to next, these are important ideas. In this first diagram, it is given that L1 and L2 lines are parallel. L1 is parallel to L2. If these lines are parallel, corresponding angles are equal. So A equals to B. Yes. So here the theorem says if two lines are parallel, corresponding angles are equal. That is A is equals to B. Here we know some angles, 130 degrees and 130 degrees, these two angles. So how do you decide whether the lines are parallel or not? Check what type of angles are these two angles. They are alternate
Supplementary.
angles. They are alternate angles. No?
Alternate inter.
Alternate interior alternate angles. So are they equal here? They are equal. So because these
Yeah.
angles are equal, we can tell that lines are parallel. It is no reverse. Please understand. The previous question, it was given that lines were parallel. So we found that angles are equal because they are corresponding. Here we are given
So-
the angles are equal. What type of angles are these two? Correspond alternate angles. Because alternate angles are equal, we are identifying that these lines are parallel. It is
So,
not
sir, if a question comes like to prove two lines that
Parallel.
are they parallel, so
exactly.
what do we need to so what do we
Exactly.
need to say?
Yeah, that's
Like-
what I'm telling. Yes,
Okay.
if you want to prove two lines are parallel, prove either alternate angles are equal. Prove either alternate angles are equal, or you can also prove that corresponding angles are also equal. Yes, you can also prove that allied angles. Allied angles are supplementary, not equal, supplementary. So any of the three is enough. If you prove either alternate angles are equal, you can tell that lines are parallel. If you prove corresponding angles are equal, you can tell that lines are parallel. If
So,
you
sir, if
Sir,
it's
so-
like a 5-mark question or something, we need to
No, no.
prove all that we can, right?
not required, any one enough. Any one.
No, sir, if it's like if it's a 1-mark question, then fine. If it's like a 3 or 5 marker, then we're supposed to
Then
prove.
also one enough. One enough.
It won't
Okay.
come for 3 or 5.
We don't ask for 3 mark questions, no, just to prove. Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
yes.
Fine.
No,
Now
one
tell me,
sentence is fine, sir.
one sentence is fine with proper reason. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now observe this question. Are these two lines parallel? Can you check whether they are parallel or not with this information?
No, sir. Sir, it's 110, sir.
110 and 60 degrees. What is the sum? First of all, what type of angles are this? Okay, can you find the allied angles, right? Allied. Remember, allied is nothing but interior interior, co-interior, right? Or co-exterior, right? Both are same. Here it is co-interior. So are these angles supplementary? 110 and 60
No,
degrees?
sir.
Is this some 180 degrees? Some is not
No,
180
but
degrees.
if
no?
you
So,
made that 100, then yeah, it would be.
yeah, that is with this given data. Are these two angles supplementary? They are not supplementary. So these lines are
No,
not
sir.
parallel. These lines are not parallel. Okay. Yes. With this, let us get into some example questions. This question already we tried that day. We didn't complete. Let us do it today. Okay. It's simple. So read the question example. Please don't copy this. Okay. Yeah. The question says, if a transversal intersects two lines such that, so here we have two lines, PQ is one line, one more line is RS. We have two lines. Remember, they are not parallel. It's not given that they are parallel. We have two lines, PQ and RS. Next, such that transversal, which is transversal here? AB, right? AB is transversal, intersect such that bisectors of a pair of corresponding angles are parallel. So can I call these angles as corresponding angles? Yes. Can I call these angles corresponding angles? Yes, they are corresponding angles. So if we draw angular bisectors of those angles, so what is this here? B. This is angular bisector. What is EC also? Angular bisector. Yes. In this BE and what is next one? CG, right? This is CG. Both are what? These are actually bisectors. Bisectors of which angle? Bisectors of angle A, B, Q. What is one more angle? B, C, S. And angle B, C, S. Okay. Yes. Now, how do you prove that the given lines PQ? See, we have to prove that the two lines are parallel. We are supposed to prove that PQ is parallel to RS. Okay, we have to prove that. Can you see here? PQ parallel to RS. How do you prove that? First, what? Yeah, you already learned, right? We have learned that if you want to prove two lines are parallel, here we are trying to prove PQ parallel to RS. We have to prove either corresponding angles are equal or alternate angles are equal or allied angles are supplementary. So let us try to prove corresponding angles are equal. Yes. So what is angle ABE here? Angle ABE, isn't it half of angle ABQ? Because remember, if this is like this, A here, B, and this is Q, okay? It's given that, what is this? This is bisector, right? I mean, this is angular bisector. These angles are equal, right? X and X. So this X will be half of this complete angle, right? Of course, if, for example, take this complete angle at 80 degrees. What about this will be 40 degrees, 40 degrees. So don't you think this angle is half of the complete angle? Yes. So this ABE will be half of ABQ. Yes. Since reason for this. What is the reason for this? Since BE bisects angle ABQ. In the same way, BCG. What is angle BCG will be half of which angle? BCG will be this. This angle is half of this complete angle, right? Equals to half of angle BCS. Again, same reason, since CG also bisects. CG bisects, what is that angle? BCS, right? BCS. So are these two angles equal? Angle ABC, ABE equals to angle BCG. Are they equal? Because they are equal. Because it's given that BE, since the symbol is since BE is parallel to CG. It's given, right? Bisectors are parallel. Bisectors of the angles are parallel. So when BE is parallel to CG, these angles are corresponding, right? What I'm showing here, corresponding. So angle APG equals to angle BCG. So if you observe here, we have this, take this equation 1 and equation 2. If you observe here, LHS ABG equals to BCG. When LHS are equal, RHS should be equal, right? RH also should be equal. So what is RHS here? 1/2 into angle ABQ equals to RHS of second equation. Angle BCS. Can I cancel both the sides half and half? We can cancel. If we cancel half both the sides, we are left with ABQ equals to what? Angle BCS. So now observe the diagram. What is angle ABQ here? What is angle ABQ here? ABQ and BCS. Okay, ABQ and BCS. Let me draw a diagram here, okay, roughly. So what does this tell me? Here it is ABQ. What is one more is? One more one is BCS, right? When these angles are equal, can we say that these lines are parallel? Yes, it is reverse. Okay, so here, since corresponding angles are equal, what do we say? What are corresponding here? ABQ. Here ABQ. This one. One more is BCS. Are these angles corresponding? Yes. We have proved that these corresponding angles are equal. So definitely BQ corresponding angles are proved equal. They are proved equal. What can you say? Definitely BQ should be parallel to what is this one? CS, right? Yes, it is proved.
So could you like draw the diagram a bit bigger? Like for me, it's like
Sure.
so small.
Okay, I'll write bigger. Okay, sure. Okay. Same thing is there in textbook also. No need to copy it. Okay, it will take time to copy. Yes, you can refer textbook. I did in the same way. Okay. Yes, no changes. So you can just refer this. Yeah. Any doubts in this, please let me know. We'll have a small discussion.
No,
Getting
sir.
12:20. Okay. Okay, that's fine. Good. So we'll go to some exercise sums. Okay.
Yes, sir.
We have one more example here. Yeah. This one, let us solve it. Okay, completely. Yeah. It's given that here all the three lines are parallel. Yes, this line now AB is parallel to CD is parallel to EF. How do you find X, Y, Z values? Where is X here? X is here, right? This can you see X here? X is here. Y is here. Z is. How do you find them? Yeah. You should identify angles here. Can you compare Y and 55 degrees? What type
So
of
could you
angles
please
are
increase the size
your
of the pic?
diagram side? You can.
Sir.
I will increase. Yeah, it's fine. Yes.
Sir, X is equal to Y, no, sir?
X is equal to Y, correct. Yes.
And
X is equal to
55
y.
and X is like supplementary.
Very good. So X and 55 supplementary, you can take Y also, right? If you observe these two, Y and 55, what
Are
type
allied
of angles are
angles.
this? Y and
Allied.
55. What is the sum must be? Y and 55. Observe
Y
carefully.
plus 55 is
180.
equal to 180.
That's, yeah,
180.
that's why last time I gave 3 lines, no? If you observe, these are parallel, right? So Y and 55 are what is sum must be equals to 180 degrees. Since what type of angles are these two angles? Allied, right?
Supplementary.
Allied angles.
Okay, allied.
Type allied angles. So can you solve this equation? Y is 180 degrees minus 55 degrees. If you subtract this, going to be how much? 125, right? Yeah, 125 degrees. Now, what about X and Y? Already we've done it told X and Y.
Allied.
Now,
So not allied.
no, X and Y. Now you compare these two angles. Take these two lines. If you take these two lines, X and Y are corresponding, right? They're in the same position, correct? X and Y are corresponding. So X is equals to Y since corresponding angle. So this is a way of giving the reasons, okay? Yes, corresponding angles. Enough. So
Yes,
X
sir.
is equals to Y. So X will be also same, right? X is also 125 degrees, right? Since Y we got 125, X also will be same 125 degrees. So we have finished the Y. We are done with X. How to find Z now? Where is Z? It is here, right? Yeah. Now take this AB and EF. Take this first line and third line. If you compare these angles, this one and this one, what type of angles are these two? Again, allied, right? Allied
90.
angles.
90-degree angles.
They are
Right
allied
angle.
angles, right? What type I am asking? Corresponding,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
allied,
So if one is 90, the other also will be 90
90.
because
Okay,
yeah.
you can do it that way. What I'm asking is what type of angles are these two angles? Just observe the
Allied.
diagram
So
here.
that's what. So
Allied,
because
yeah.
one is 90, 90 plus 90 is
Yes,
180.
yes, you're right. It is something like this, correct? These angles are what do you call them? Allied angles, right?
Allied.
Allied. So they must be supplementary. So what is this angle here? This is 90 degrees, right? Correct. So 90 degrees plus what is this complete angle here? Isn't it Z plus 55 degrees? Complete
Z
angle.
plus. Yes, sir.
So Y 90 degrees. One second, let me scroll down. 90 degrees plus Z plus 55, right? Yeah. So 90 degrees plus this is Z plus 55 degrees. This is together one angle.
So
How much? Yeah.
180.
So if you solve this, Z plus what is the sum? 90 plus 55, how much it is? 145, right? Equals to 180 degrees. If you solve this, Y will be how much? 180 minus 145, which is equals to 35 degrees. Yes, we got this is Z, right? Z. Z is 35 degrees. Tell me,
Sir?
Sujin. Yeah. Tell me.
yeah, sir. So interior angles on the same transversal.
Yeah.
What are they, sir? What relation are
they
they?
are-
Are
they
they
are
equal or?
Supplementary. That's
The
that's what we
supplementary.
call supplementary. Yeah, they are nothing but allied angles, right?
Oh yeah, no, yeah,
Allied angles,
yeah,
they
yeah,
are
fine.
supplementary. Yes. Remember,
Sir?
you can. Yes, tell me. Okay, please write it. Please write it. Just 4-5 steps it will take. I think 1 minute maximum. Please write it. Any doubt, please ask
Done,
me.
sir.
Remember, again, I'm repeating. This can be done in different methods. Sanjana was telling 90 degrees, remaining 90. That is also fine. Any method. Yes, make a habit of writing these regions here. Yeah, you wrote this equal to 100 degrees region since allied angle. You wrote X and Y equal since corresponding angles. Yes, that's it. Okay. Yeah. If you are done with this, at least let us complete one exercise sum. Yes. Any doubts, please let me
So
know.
which sum is this again?
Exercise we are doing second sum. Okay. This is example sum. Can I scroll down?
Yeah.
Please complete
Yes,
quickly.
sir.
We have 5 more minutes left. Shall I wait for a minute? No, right?
Done, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Going to next question here. Yeah, we're doing second question. Yes, let me enlarge it. Yeah. Fine. Yes, tell me. How do you find X in this? If you observe here, it's given that Y and Z in the ratio. Can you see Y here? This is Y and this is Z, right? They're in the ratio 3:7. Yes.
3x, 7x.
Yeah, exactly. Why again X? Because we X already we have no. Let us go with something else. Let Y equals to take it as 3a.
Right.
Okay.
A, okay.
Z equals to 7a. Okay.
7A.
It's given that y is to z equals to how much? The ratio is given as 3 is to 7. Okay.
So, but
One
aren't we
second,
supposed to take it in X?
You can, but already we have x now.
Yeah,
Take
sir. So it will
some-
make it easier because X and Y are allied angles. So we can say X plus
Yeah.
3X is equal to 180 or something like that. We can solve it like that way also, no?
That you don't take x because this already we have x variable, right? I suggest not to go with x. Take something like a, b, whatever it is. Okay. So we have taken y 3a, right? Z and 7a. If you observe here, this is y, right? This angle is y. So here we have z. Can you identify the type of the angles y and z? Are they corresponding? Are they co-interior? I mean allied? Are they alternate?
Allied.
Allied? No, they are not
They're
allied.
corresponding, sir.
No, they are not.
So
they are
which
not
ones?
corresponding.
Oh,
Y
Y
which
and
one?
Z. Y and Z.
Y and Z are alternate interior.
Alternate
No,
interior.
no, they are all not alternate because y is
Yeah.
here.
What
right?
are they, sir?
Y they are. Yeah, y is here. No.
So,
see,
sir, they're not related. So you can take
Exactly.
a Y down to next to Z because they'll be
exactly.
corresponding and then there'll be a linear pair.
Exactly. Yes. So what about this? This will be y, right? Correct.
Yes,
Can
sir.
you make it as y?
Vertically opposite, yeah.
Vertical opposite, right? Yes.
Yeah. Then they
Vertical
both will be
opposite.
allied.
Aligned.
Sir, you can also bring it down and make
Yeah,
Z and
Y
Y a
and-
linear
yeah.
pair.
Anything. You're right. So if this is y, what about this angle also? Y, right?
Yeah.
Because vertical opposite. Now, can I take this y and z supplementary? Yes.
Yes,
Because
sir.
they are allied angles. So no confusion. I use the word allied. Okay. Some they use the word co-interior, same, or interior angles on the same side also same. So can I write now y plus z equals to 180 equality degrees? Is it fine?
Yes, sir. Which
Yeah.
means 3x
So-
plus 7x will be
Yes,
equal
yes.
to
So
180.
remember, very important thing is that you have to show that this is equals to y. Yes, you have to show that this is equals to y. So they become allied, right? Since reason is allied angles are, you can write allied angles now. Or you can also extend allied angles are supplementary. This will be nice. Okay. Yes. So what is y in this? Tell me. 3a, right? 3a. What is z here? 7a equals to 180 degrees. If you solve this, 10a equals to 180. What is
180,
from
A is
this?
equal
18
to
degrees.
18.
180 degrees by 10. From this, you will get a as 18 degrees, right? Yeah, we have done a value 18. When a is 18, can you find the x and y and z? What is y now? Y is 3, right? 3 times a, that is 3 times 18, which is 54 degrees. What about z now? 7 times a, that is 7 into 18. How much is this to multiply? Is it 126? Correct.
Yeah.
Yes, 126 degrees. Now, how do you find
Yes,
x
so
now?
they give
The
180.
question is to find x. How to find x
So
now?
180 minus 54.
Or else you can take x and y. X and y are supplemented, right?
That's
X and
what,
y are
sir.
again. Yes. So I'm continuing it here. Okay, it's getting 29. So x plus y equals to 180 degrees. Since again they are allied angles. Correct. So x as it is. What is y here? Y is 54 degrees. 54 degrees equals to 180. And you can solve it. 180 minus 54. I think again 126 only, right? Correct? Yeah. 126. Done? Yes. Okay. Any doubts in this, please let me know. And worksheet I'll check tomorrow without fail. Please do it if you have not done. Some of you have told some reason. Okay, I consider today. Do it without fail today and submit tomorrow. Yeah. Is it completed? Because I have to give homework.
Yes.
Yeah. What about others?
Done, sir.
Done.
Done, sir.
Good. So I'm just going to homework. Okay. So I thought doing this fourth question also, fifth also, but I couldn't. No time. Yeah. Homework is please take this identifying polynomials or not, because I feel that still some of you are not that, like few, not most of you. Yeah. 1 second. Start writing these questions. Okay, quickly. Yes.
Sir,
Fast.
could you make the picture a bit bigger?
Sure.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Quickly.
Sir, can we do all of these extra sums and all in a rough notebook, or do we have to do it in the notebook itself?
Anything is better in the classwork. Okay, I mean in the homework book. Okay, and I'm giving from exercise out of this exercise
Sir?
6.2, right? 6.2 first sum you can try as homework. Okay,
Sujan, these are not extra questions. This is homework.
homework. This is must say.
No,
Exercise
not
again. One question.
not
is-
the exercise, the extra sums.
Yeah, this is must. This is I told you special. This is for the interested people can try them. Yes,
Yeah,
I have the
yes.
answers. Tomorrow we can discuss. But
Yes,
these two are
sure.
must. Identify the polynomials must. Rest the idea is that I don't want you to forget the previous chapters ideas. Yeah. Okay. Remember exercise 6.2 first question also homework. Please note
Yes,
that
sir.
also. Yes. Gauri is getting joined now. 12:31.
Sir,
So can you
Tell me,
just
Viren.
dictate the
Tell me,
question?
Prisha.
Can
Question.
you, yeah, can you
Sure.
just tell the question?
Identify the polynomials or not. A root 2. A root 2. Yes. Second one 5 by x. B 5 by
Sir,
x.
or else I'll send it to her. I have it.
Okay. Third one is x to the power of 4 plus. It just takes few seconds. X to the power of 4 plus 10. X to the power of 4 plus 10. D root 5 x square is 0. Yeah. Can you tell me what is 0? Is it a polynomial? Is 0 a polynomial? Yes or no? Anybody quickly? Is 0 a polynomial?
no.
No. Okay. Anybody says yes? Vaishnavi, tell me. Vaishnavi is saying something.
Sir, I found the answer for second at rationalizing.
So it is a polynomial because we say
Vaishnavi, you have done now homework sum. What is your answer, Vaishnavi? Fast. It's already time up.
So
Sir,
0
0
is
is a polynomial.
No,
It is a polynomial.
Sanjana, wait. I'm talking to Vaishnavi. I'm happy that she has answered one question.
Sir, I'm saying that I wrote the answer for second one, rational.
Okay. Tell me the answer quickly. It's time up.
4 root 10 minus 3 divided
Final answer.
4 root 10 minus 3 divided by 1, the second answer.
Okay, you're telling this one.
Yeah.
The answer must be 4 only. Yes. Answer is 4.
Oh.
Yeah, sorry. It's 4 into root 10 minus 3. Okay.
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes. You got that same thing? Okay. Good, Vaishnavi. Keep it up. Thank you.